Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Corey here, back with another vlog. I said I'd probably do these weekly, but whenever I have like spare time, I'll try and get a vlog in. So right now, I'm thinking I'm just probably gonna do the same thing, ride four-wheelers, probably jump on a trampoline, maybe go in the barn or something like that. Maybe try and upload a gaming video. And if you guys want me to, I can always show you my setup. Here's a quick sneak peek. So let me know if you guys want me to show you my setup. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay. So some time has warped by. Harrison has come over. If you don't know who he is, he is the guy who Obsidian dude in my like the build battle and the bed wars. So he is over today. We're just shooting some hoops right now. So I think next we gotta go ride some four-wheelers, hopefully get some good shots of that. And we even might play the Vive, so I hope you guys enjoy. Some basketball shooting. You didn't get so much. I just did 3 double front flips, 2 for Harrison, and as you saw, 1. I'm getting real close. I'm self-taught on mostly all of this stuff. So, well, I am self-taught on all this stuff. Harrison's over there vlogging.
Hopefully soon.
Yeah.
I'll be doing fishing videos. It's just not the best time of year to fish because it just turned to spring and like the fish aren't like really active yet. So hopefully I'll get some fishing videos out for you guys soon.
Yeah, so he's got to do some fishing videos on his channel. Definitely go check it out. It's got to be sick. I might be in some of them with them. So hopefully it goes well. We're doing the first person action. Back flipping like that, and maybe front flipping like that. I didn't get this on tape. I just threw my camera up in the air, trying to do a backflip and catch it, but I overthrew it and it landed in the woods. And then I had to go through all of these thorns. Go check it out on Harrison's channel. I'll leave it down in the description. He filmed me trying to get unstuck. He didn't film me throwing the camera in there. He was filming me going in and grabbing it. I'm surprised it didn't break since I don't even have a case on this. and the lens is just wide open. That was
Yeah.
a close one.
He's lucky. It got wedged in between some sticks. If those sticks were there, it would have went all the way down like a little muddy spot. He would have had mud all over his camera.
But luckily this camera's waterproof.
Not mud proof.
Yeah, well, I mean, maybe. Mud is kind of
Water.
water and dirt, so.
It's not dirt proof.
Well, it never said that it was. So we were just getting ready to upload a video on Harrison's channel, and we found out that we still need to make it. So we're making it right now. I think it's gonna be called fishing or something. I'll leave it down in the description, like I said. So yeah.
Just make a new email.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't that much. It was just kind of four-wheeler clips, and I was with Harrison. So hopefully tomorrow we will get some more clips going. He is just doing stuff. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to film a little vlog with him. So hopefully that will be good. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
And turn on post notifications.